Studies reveal that spending time in nature can significantly reduce symptoms of anxiety and depression. Recent research highlights how simply walking in a park or sitting by a river can elevate mood and improve overall mental well-being. The natural world offers a unique form of therapy that traditional settings often overlook. The sights and sounds of nature positively influence our brain chemistry. Furthermore, immersion in green spaces fosters social connections, enhancing our sense of community. By embracing these natural benefits, we can cultivate healthier, happier lives, proving that nature truly is a powerful ally in our mental health journey.